So once again, good afternoon children. Today we are going to learn about adjectives and comparison or comparison of adjectives. But before that, before starting the lesson, I would like to remind you of few very important points which will help you to get promotion to class 7. It is very important. Two things. Number one, you must attend all the online classes. Now the attendance for online classes also have started. So by the end of the session, you must attend at least minimum 75% attendance to get promotion to the next class. Another point, only attendance will not promote you. Another point, you must write your unit tests and the terminal exams very seriously. So if you have 75% attendance and have done well in the unit tests and the terminal exams, then only you will be granted promotion to class 7. So 75% attendance and passing all the tests and exams is compulsory to go to the next class. Now let's start the lesson. Comparison of adjectives. Let me define the word adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. Okay, suppose a very tall man. I am talking about a man who is tall. How is the man? Tall. Tall is that. A very fat lady. A very fat lady. Who am I talking about? I am talking about a lady. How is the lady? Fat. Fat is the adjective. Now today there is no sun. The sky is cloudy. We can say cloudy sky. I am talking about the sky. How is the sky? Cloudy. Adjectives. Okay, these are. Comparison means to say two or more things to compare. This is good, this is bad. Okay, this is short, this is shorter. This is tall, this is tall. Comparing. Like sometimes we compare the students in class. Suppose in my class, Kusum gets first position. Okay, because she gets half. And Masoon is a very good friend of Kusum. Masoon is a very good friend of Kusum. But she is not as good as Kusum in studies. Kusum is better than Masoon in studies. I am comparing Kusum and Masoon. Kusum is better than Masoon in studies. But Masoon can improve if she works hard. Why is Kusum getting high marks? Because she is getting high marks because she is working hard. So anybody, not about Masoon, anybody in the class, if they work hard, they will get good marks. It is very important. Working hard is very important. So when you go to the next class, I mean class 7, you must be full of knowledge. And how can you get knowledge? By listening to the teacher carefully and working hard. Now let's see. An adjective has 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now what is positive degree? A positive degree is just an adjective. Simple. There is no second person or third person. Singular. Okay. In positive degree of adjective, there is no comparison. Singular. Suppose I say beautiful. It is a beautiful flower. It is a big building. Okay. It's a long story. There is no comparison. But if I bring one more subject there and compare who is good, who is bad, and so on. Suppose I say a marigold is beautiful. A marigold is a kind of flower you must have seen everywhere. I think in Bangla it's called genda flower. A marigold is beautiful, but a rose is more beautiful. I am comparing between the marigold and the rose. I said a marigold is beautiful, but a rose is more beautiful. So how will I put it in a sentence? A rose is more beautiful than a marigold. When you are comparing, you must use the word than. A rose is more beautiful than a marigold. Okay. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. I can say the same thing without changing meaning. Kanak is shorter than Narayan Juju. See, the meaning has not changed. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. Kanak is shorter than Narayan Juju. Has the meaning changed? No. This is called comparison. When we are talking about a single person, singular, we use the positive degree. But when you are comparing between two things, two persons, two places, or two objects, we use comparison. And for that we have to use the word than. And the superlative degree is also for plural but for more than 3 and more. Positive degree, there is no comparison. Comparative degree, there is comparison between two things, persons, places, etc. Superlative degree, there is comparison between 3 and more. I will give you example. Okay. Like one example. All the comparisons can be changed, formed, or made by adding er or st. In some you have to add IER and IEST, but some cannot be changed like that. See, I'll show you the example. Tall, taller, tallest. Suppose I say Narayan Juju is tall. Narayan Juju is tall. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. See the difference here. Narayan Juju is tall. Only one. Narayan only. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. I have talked about Narayan Juju and Kanak. Then Narayan Juju is the tallest boy in the class. In the class there are so many boys. But Narayan Juju is the tallest. Got the point? Narayan Juju is tall. Narayan Juju is taller than Kanak. Narayan Juju is the tallest boy in the class. Next. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Happy, happier, happiest. And some adjectives you can change the degree by adding ER, but some you have to add some new words, and some you have to change the words totally. Like see, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Here you can say history is a difficult subject. Suppose history is a difficult subject. Then I can say maths is more difficult than history. History is a difficult subject. Maths is more difficult than history. Another say you can say which subject you will take? Let's say psychology. Psychology is the most difficult subject. Which amongst all the subjects, psychology is the most difficult subject. Okay. Or you can say another example. It's difficult to do yoga. Yoga is difficult. Example. Yoga is difficult. Running is more difficult than yoga. Okay. Yoga is difficult. Running is more difficult than yoga. Weightlifting is the most difficult. Weightlifting, no? Strong muscle man. They lift weights. Okay. Then some words you have to change totally. Like good, better, best. Suppose I say Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is a good boy. Rahul is better than Rohan. See the example. Rohan is a good boy. Rahul is better than Rohan. Roshan is the best boy. So these are some examples I have explained. Now let's move on to the books and see some more examples. Okay. So these are the main parts you should keep in mind. Adjectives have 3 degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. We can make comparative degree and superlative degree by adding ER and ES, IER and IES. But in some cases you have to write more and most. In some cases you have to change the words totally. Again I will do the example. Okay. Like I told you, tall, taller, tallest. Happy, happier, happiest. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay. Hard, harder, hardest. Easy, easier, easiest. Same. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. But if I say beautiful, what will I write? Beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. No, wrong. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Clever, clever, more clever, most clever. Same way. Some words I say they change totally. Good, better, best. Some more examples there. Okay. So you go through that. Bad, worse, worst. Okay. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Or far, further, furthest. It can be farther or further. Okay. Then active, less active, least active. Least is a subsequent. Less, least. Okay. Important, more important, most important. Concern, less concern, least concern. Now I have explained all these things. But see the exercises. First of all, you read page number 47, 48 and 49. Read very carefully. Okay, I will give you the explanation in short. This is the main part. If you understand this, there won't be any problem in this lesson. So read page number 49. Then come to page number 50. Some exercises are there on page number 50, 51 and that must only. Let us see. Complete the sentences that correct forms the words in bracket. I told you, remember one important thing. This is singular. This is plural, means only 2. This means more than 2. Remember this part. Positive degree is for a single person. Okay. Comparative degree, we compare between 2 persons, places and things. Superlative is for more than 2. Let us see. Ram is dash than his brother. We are talking about Ram and his brother. 2 persons. Ram and his brother. The word adjective which you have to use is smart. So what do you do? Ram is smarter than his brother. Smarter. Number 2. This test is dash of all, more than 2, of all, superlative. Comparative, this is superlative. This test is dash of all. The word is difficult. This test is the most difficult. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So here you have to write most difficult. Number 3. Hires is dash than any other boy. We are not saying boys. Boy. Singular. We are comparing between Hires and another boy. Hires and another boy. It is comparative. So the word which is focus. You can write Hires is more focused, not most. More focused than any other boy. More focused. Then same page. Exercise C. Rewrite each of the sentences given below using the appropriate degree of comparison as indicated. One has been done as an example. See, the red dress was pretty. Change to comparative. This is positive. Change into comparative. What is the word? Pretty. So pretty, prettier, prettiest. As you have to use the comparative, it will be prettier. So how will you change? The red dress was prettier than others. Number 2. He is wealthier than all other businessmen in our country. Change to superlative. Means comparison more than 2. Superlative. So what is the word here? Wealthy. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. You have to use the superlative. So how to write? He is the wealthiest of all other businessmen in our city. He is the wealthiest of all other businessmen in our city. Third, the Pacific is the largest of all oceans. Change to comparative. Positive, comparative. What is the word here? Large. Means you have to change into larger. Comparatively. Large, larger, largest. It has been given in superlative. You have to change into comparative. That is larger. How to change? The Pacific is larger than other oceans. The Pacific is larger than the other oceans. So 3 examples have given you. Complete this and accordingly complete page number 51 also. So before attempting any exercise, please read all the examples and start. So with this we have come to the end of today's lesson. So till next time, bye.